Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be replacing the windshield wiper blades on the 2001 Toyota Highlander. The brand I decided to go with was RainX, because I just like RainX. I like the way they work. They don't leave like no smear on the windows, because I tried like a bunch of different kinds, even some cheaper ones, and I just didn't like the way they perform. You know, they used to leave waters, like used to skip over the water. You know, I mean, just my preference that I use the RainX brand. It costs a little bit more, but I mean, it's not bad. For $1 difference, you might as well just go ahead and get the RainX. I believe I got them at Menards for like $7.99 a piece, which is not bad. You're probably gonna pay a little bit more if you get them out of like AutoZone, Advance, or a power store. Okay, the driver's side is a little longer than the passenger side. The driver's side is a 22-inch blade, and the passenger side is a 19-inch. Okay, now on here now, these been on here since I had since the vehicle was on here. I believe it's a Bosch. Let's see if I can get this to focus in. Yeah, Bosch blades, which is real simple to take off. You see these two. Let me give if I can get it to focus in. Let's see. All right, you got these two. See these ridges right here? You see them on both sides. Yeah, you got these on both sides. So you just want to squeeze. Take your two fingers. Take your two fingers, squeeze them, and pull it back, and just push it down like that. And then see that? It's just the hook. Pop the hook out. And they install real simple. You just want to put them in the same way, basically, that you took them out. Okay, the driver's side is the 22. So let me put this down, and so I can take this out real quick. All right, guys. Now you see, I got it out the. I took it out the pack, and you see where it say the. Oh, it's hard for this to focus. Hold on, guys. I got a phone call coming in, so I'm about to stop recording. I hate when recording with my phone. All right, hold on. All right, guys. These are very simple to install. Like, okay. See what said the Ray? These is the J hooks. You just want to let this out a little bit. Put the hook thing through there and push it down. And you can always refer to the instructions. Like if you got the J hook, it go that way. You know, you got the pin arm, it go that way. But most of the time, you're gonna have the J hook. Okay. Now you see this right here, the RainX. You want to just pull this out a little bit. Hold on. Stick this through there. Hold on. See, it's hard to do this with both hands. You just want to stick this through there. All right, guys. I'm trying to get it so I can show it, because it's hard to work it with both hands. Okay. See if I get that to focus in. All right. You just want to stick it through there like that. It go like that. And it is basically just like pull it down until it click. You hear that? It just click. And then let me go to try to show you. See that? It just click. It's like when you put it, and you could tell. Let me see if I can just get this to focus in, man. I got to get me invest in a better camera. This phone ain't getting it sometimes. But yeah, that's how you do it. You put it through the you just put it through there, and it just click, and it's just simple as that. No two ways about it. All right, guys. The same thing on the on the passenger side. You just see that? How I just squeeze this together, pop them up, and then push it down and remove it out. And it goes in the same way. Let me see, I'm gonna pop this up. All right. Now let me get that open. It was a hard task filming the other side to do it, but I promise you, it's simple as you think. A lot of people think it's hard and they go get the people at the parts store to do it. But I mean, a female can do this. You know, a little 10-year-old girl can do this, you know. So it's very simple. All you do is just putting it in there and clicking it down, pulling it down. All right, guys, maybe I can show you from this side a little bit better. Since I'm on the opposite side. See, okay, now you see how this hook right here, all you gotta do is just put this hook through that open side right there, and see that, and just pull up to a click. Like, watch this. It's that simple, and you done. And put them down, bam. So that's it. That's how you install the windshield wipers on a 2001 Toyota Highlander. And almost basically any vehicle is that simple, especially if you got the J hooks. Pop in. You can buy these things from Menards or the parts store and put them in right there. You know, so yeah, and that's it. That's how you install windshield wipers on the windshield wiper blades on the 2001 Toyota Highlander. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. I'm out. Perfect.